Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to set an app timer to restrict usage on Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up settings on your mobile device, and then you need to click the settings, and then here at mobile settings, and then you need to scroll down, find and locate this Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and then click. So here in Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, and then you need to scroll down again, and under at App Timer, then you need to select this video here and then click. And the next step, then you can see now select those apps if you want to set a timer. So here at all apps and by category, like this audio, like games, image, maps and travel, productivity and finance, and everything here on your mobile phones. So if you want to set timer, so for example, we need to select this audio and then click. And the next step, you can see this set timer at the bottom right corner here and then click. And now you can set for audio and video timer here. So you need to select this. So this is the days and also the date and time also here. All right, and then once and then click that. All right, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and hopefully this video was helpful and guide on mobile device settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest mobile guide tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.